How to premium Spotify on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get Spotify premium on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So assuming that you have already created a Spotify account and then you are logged into the Spotify app on your iPhone, you want to upgrade to premium from the application, but when you go to the premium section you can see premium plan, but there is no button to upgrade it. Now this happens because iPhones does not support in-app browsing, which means if you're an Android you will be able to upgrade to premium right from the application, but on iPhone that's not how it works. So instead what you have to do is just go ahead and simply open up your Safari browser on your iPhone, and then you simply want to come to spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link down below. So once you go to spotify.com, make sure to sign into the account on which you want to upgrade, and then just tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then just go to the option called premium, which is at the very top of the screen. So basically once you come to the premium tab over here, you'll be able to see this type of interface where you have to tap on the option called get started, and once you tap on the get started button over here, you'll be able to see your plan. So choose your payment method such as your PayPal or your credit or debit card. I'm assuming most of you are going to go with credit or debit card, so you can just tap on that option respectively. Make sure to enter your card details, your expiration date, your security code or your CVC number, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then just tap on the buy now button, and after you tap on the buy now, you would have successfully purchased the premium version of Spotify on iPhone. Now just come back. If it doesn't load, just try to go ahead and relaunch Spotify, relog out, and then relog in again, and this should definitely upgrade you to the premium version. That's all it takes to get Spotify premium on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.